Ciao, dear Sicily lovers!
Hello everyone!
Sicily!
Hello everyone! Say hello, Giampiero, say hello.
Hello.
Don't watch the camera, drive. Focus on the driving.
And we are super excited and super happy because our tours of Sicily are starting again.
Our season.
Our season.
This is the official starting point of our season with a special family.
The most of you maybe already know.
Let me say hello to Katie O'Brien. Ciao Katie. Katie, let me introduce you to the beautiful Rubino family. Ciao Gian, ciao Marianne. Ciao Natalie, how are you?
Let me sit here with my beautiful friends. Are you excited to be again in Sicily?
We are so excited to be in Sicily. We love Sicily. And we waited a long time to come back because of the pandemic, so we're so happy that we could be here with you.
They visited us in 2019. Then we plan to visit again Sicily in 2020, but then the COVID stopped us.
Yes.
But now we are super happy to be here.
The COVID stopped us
And
just
we
for
want
a
to
while.
cry again.
No. You're too quick. You're too quick, too fast. But this is cry of joy.
Cry of joy, yeah.
Natalie, say something.
Yeah.
Give the microphone to Natalie.
Who wants to start? Don't be shy.
For Natalie is the first time.
John can start.
For Natalie is the first
This is our
time.
first big vacation since what we hope is the ending of the pandemic, and it's really been worth the wait. Gianca and Rosella have been wonderful to us and have been so patient waiting for the return and start planning trips again. So we are thrilled to be here, and we know we're in great hands with Rosella and Gianca. They are as beautiful as Sicily itself. Thank you.
John, you're the best. You know how we love you and how we waited for this time to meet you again in person, and the time is now.
We love you guys too, and we're so happy to be here.
You know.
And we'll be back.
Again. One more time and then another
again,
one more time and again.
Next July with your brother, Marianne.
My brother's family, yes, we'll be back.
We will arrange a longer trip of Sicily, tour of Sicily.
Yes,
Because-
and we'll get to see parts of Sicily that we didn't see. Excuse me. Wait, can you edit this?
We're live. Huh?
We are live!
This is it.
Wonderful. So, I'm reading the comments. There are a lot of people watching us. We have Peter Confalone, we have Mary Viviano, we have Katie O'Brien. Buongiorno a tutti, a lot of people. Oh, guys, so we are super happy.
We are very happy because Sicily is your homeland, right?
Yes.
So you are from Caltabellotta?
Caltabellotta, yes.
In the
And
province of
in
Agrigento.
the province of Agrigento, and this time we get to, when we're here this time, I'll get to go to my grandmother's house and visit cousins. We'll be having lunch with our cousins and walking through the house where my grandmother grew up and going to her church where she received her sacraments. So.
And this was all possible because
It's very
of
special.
Rosella and Gianca. We had the opportunity to learn about them online through Facebook. Marianne met them online and was watching all of these videos, and Rosella did the research and she located Mare's cousin, two cousins, and the last time we came we had the opportunity to meet them for the first time, and it was beautiful. And since then she's stayed in contact with those cousins and we get to visit them again, but we've stayed in contact with Rosella and Gianca, which has been just as special. I'm going to say even more special. So we get to spend time with them again. So we're so happy to be here. And those of you watching, we were the same way, watching from home, wondering, should we book? What do we do? And we took that first step and we booked. And as Rosella said, we were here in 2019, right before the pandemic. And we just loved every minute with them and every minute of Sicily. And we couldn't wait to come back. And we booked, and we were due to come back during the pandemic, but we had to delay, like most of you probably, several times. And finally, here we are. So we're so happy to be here and so happy to have met Rosella and Gianca and have them in our lives. They're our friends forever now.
John, I'm speechless. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I can only say that you are more than friends. For us, you
same
represent beautiful people, and we are very, very happy. It's an honor to be with you now, and we really hope you enjoy the rest of the tour in Sicily, in your ancestral hometown of the, how do you say, the homeland of your ancestors.
Our homeland, yes. And you and Gianca and Rosella are so special to us, and you are family.
Yeah,
and
we are family.
we, from the first time we met you, we felt that we were at home and we could trust you, and you took care of us. And if ever we have a question, you're right there. You're available to us and able to help us through. So you're beautiful people and very special to us. Thank you so much. And I can't help but cry because I get overwhelmed with emotion. I'm so happy to be here.
I'm preserving my tears for the last day.
Yes, yes.
It will be a waterfall.
Yes, yes. Everyone here is so wonderful and warm, but it's because of both of you that it all works and it all comes together. So thank you so much.
Let me ask Natalie, what's your first impression? This is your first time in Sicily, so how do you feel it?
I love it. It's so beautiful. I was overwhelmed with how beautiful it was, and I'm just so happy to have met both of you because my mom and dad have been talking about you both for 2 years, and you were famous in our household, and now we finally get to meet you both.
We don't deserve it.
No, and I see why they both love you so much. So it's been an amazing trip, and we've had a great time, and we're excited for the rest of it too. But the highlight was meeting Gianca and Rosella.
Thank you, Natalie.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite between Taormina, Syracuse and Palermo? How you saw both locations?
Taormina was my
Taormina's
favorite.
wonderful.
Yes, it's beautiful. Yes, the water, the sea, the buildings, beautiful. Loved it. But I loved everywhere we went so far.
And what about the food and wine?
It's so good. It gets better at every next place we go to. It's delicious.
Because we have to remember our friends, we have to remind them that our tours are based on food and wine.
Yes.
So not only traditional tours, but the most authentic experience with locals in particular. And now I would like to disturb the driver.
Yeah, maybe also.
Because we are moving by a beautiful, comfortable Mercedes minibus. Giampiero, buongiorno. Lo so che non si può. I know that it's not correct. You drive and I interview you. Come stai? How are you?
Fine.
Say something to our friends in the world.
They are fantastic people.
Ooh.
Yeah. We are going to...
Non si dice.
Non si dice.
It's a secret.
Yeah. So, me lo stavo dimenticando.
Com'è questo Mercedes? Talk about your vehicle.
About my vehicle.
Yeah. How many people can be accommodated in this Mercedes van?
8 people.
8
9
people.
9 with me.
9 with you. So
Yeah.
we have enough space for people and for luggages.
Yes.
So it's 2, 4, 6, and we have enough space also for the luggage. And I try to not to fall. Okay.
Now we need to sleep.
We need
because
to sleep.
we had a full lunch.
We had a great time in Palermo. First we had the usual cannoli stop at the monastery of Santa Caterina with some other pastries. Not only pastries, not only cannoli but also pistachio, almond pastries.
Yeah.
Then we had the lunch at the restaurant, so now it's time to sleep. We had to follow the Sicilian rhythms.
And all together, we have to say all together. You remember?
Yes.
So,
Aspetta, pure io.
pure tu?
Me too.
Come with us.
Me too.
Okay.
I don't wanna cover you. Ci siamo?
Yes, we are ready.
Ready?
Oh, okay.
All together.
1, 2, 3.
Love, hugs,
and
and
kisses
kisses
from
from
Sicily.
Sicily.
Ciao!
Ciao, ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Ciao! Facciamo vedere pure un po' di paesaggio. Giusto, ho preso il paesaggio più brutto che c'è. Ciao Giampiero, vuoi salutare pure tu? Ciao, ciao.